Now today we are going to do in exclamatory sentences for direct, indirect. When we have done narration, we have done earlier imperative sentences. Now we are going to do exclamatory sentences. You know what is an exclamatory sentence? Which are showing sudden emotion. Wow, what a wonderful scene! Wonderful scene. Hooray, we have won. Alas, we have lost the match. Okay, it means it is expression of feelings. And you know that in case of exclamatory sentences, interjections are used. For example, hooray, bravo, bravo. Okay, so you know that these type of interjections, they are always used. Okay, so now, but to change these kind of sentences, we have to follow certain rules. So let us write down rules side by side and understand, then we will do the examples, right? So first rule is said is changed to said or said to. Okay, it is changed to what? You know that while changing, otherwise we are changing said and. Yes. Okay, otherwise, yes, fair notebook. Okay, otherwise how we are changing that? When we are changing said and said to, said remains said and said to is changing into told. But where exclamatory sentences are there, said and said to is changed into exclaimed with joy, sorrow. Okay. Huh? Huh, said and said to, exclaimed with joy, sorrow, regret. Yes, yes, write down the rules so that you can remember. Fear, anger. Okay, according to the type of interjection which is used. So what interjection is used, so you will write down accordingly. Note down this first rule. Yes, yes, start from here. Now remove the interjections. I told wherever hurrah, bravo, yippee, wow, what this is, these are written, these are interjections. Okay, we will remove them. We will remove these interjections. Okay, ये नहीं फिर use होंगे when you are going to change direct into indirect. These will be removed. And the next rule is conjunction is that, conjunction that we use. Okay, conjunction that is used to introduce reported speech. Yes, yes. Exclamatory sentences. Here you can write down of narration. So you will come to know. Okay? No confusion will be there. So conjunction that we use the conjunction that. Yes? Introduce conjunction that. Exclaim with joy, exclaim with sorrow, exclaim with regret. Okay? Yes. It depends. Yes. Please go away. Okay, so this is what? This is with anger. Okay. And the rest of the rules of tenses, pronouns, they are changed according to previous rules. So we have done, other rules also. Okay. So what we have done other rules also of tenses, like simple present, simple past. So these rules will also be observed. Written? Put date at the top of the topic. Write down today's date, please. Yes, that. Okay, because in imperative we are not using that, but here that, yes, that is used. Now we are going to do example. Let us do, for example. So I'm writing example. Previous rules. Suppose now, for example, she said, see, what a beautiful dress. She said, what a beautiful dress. Now, so now, see here, when she's saying what a beautiful dress, what kind of feeling? Joy. Okay. So she will remain as she. So what kind of feeling? Said and said to, I told that we are changing into exclamatory, into exclamation. Okay. She exclaimed with joy, and omit this and introduce that it is simple present tense. What a beautiful dress. It will change into simple past tense. But how you will change? Because this is what a beautiful dress. It will be changed into assertive form. Very good. Very good. Excellent. That it was a beautiful dress, and full stop. At the end, full stop. I told that interjection, this will be removed and full stop will be introduced. Okay. For example, he said, Hurrah, we have won the trophy. That they had won the match trophy. Very good. That okay. So I think so now it is clear to you. Okay. So how it will be changed? He exclaimed with joy that they had won the trophy, and at the end full stop will be used. At the end, what will be there? Full stop will be introduced. Clear now? Yes. So these are some of the two examples. Now we will write down sentences so that you can write in your fair notebooks. Yes. They, because this will change into they, that they had won the trophy. How? They had. He said, we are telling them from the third person side. They are. Okay. Now I am am rubbing these. So in order to write down some of the sentences that you will change side by side. Now, narrate the following exclamatory sentences. Narrate the following exclamatory sentences. Now we are going to narrate. Okay. So I'm writing sentences here. First is Sagar said, "Oh." Sagar said, "Oh, we have lost the match." Yes. Explain with sorrow. Regret is also right. With regret or exclaim with sorrow that they had lost the match. Very good. That they had lost the match. Right? Write down the answer side by side. The captain said to the goalkeeper, "Bravo." Well done. Now see this sentence. The captain said to the goalkeeper, "Bravo, well done." The captain exclaimed to his joy to the goalkeeper Now let me tell you one thing. Why this type of sentence I have given you? I want to tell one thing. When someone is appreciating someone, well done, you have done well. Okay, so it means that you are applauding someone. Okay, what is there? Applauding someone. So in this case, what we will use, the captain, what he said, he applauded the goalkeepers. Applauded the goalkeeper. How he applauded the goalkeeper? Saying. It will be changed in this manner. The captain applauded the goalkeeper saying that. Now change. Well done that. He had done well. Not good job, because we have here well done. That he had done well. That he had done well. Okay, so when you are appreciating someone, how you will say? Applauded by saying that. What you will introduce? Applauded by saying that. Okay, so this will be introduced. Double P L-A-U. Applauded by saying that he had done well. She said, what an awful tragedy. She said, what an awful tragedy. She exclaimed with sorrow. Now next you are going to tell me. Yes. Okay. Okay, so how it will be changed? She exclaimed with sorrow. Very good. Because she is telling this with sorrow. Very good. That it was an grief, yes. She exclaimed with grief, she exclaimed with sorrow that it was an awful tragedy. He had done well. Next, I am writing. Now see here. He said goodbye, Rajesh. He said goodbye, Rajesh. Okay. So now in this case, whenever you are saying goodbye to someone, goodbye or farewell. No. When good morning is there, then wished will be used. He wished him good morning. But when you are saying goodbye to someone, okay, or you are saying farewell, seeing off, then you will use the word bade. Bade. For example, he bade Rajesh goodbye. First, that's it. Bade, yes, bade. Okay. He bade Rajesh. Bade means goodbye. Nothing. Nothing. No. He bade Rajesh goodbye. Simple one. Okay, this is little bit of exceptional type. Bit a past participle of bid. Similar of next one is of similar type. He said farewell, my great leaders. Now, Parthiv will tell me. Yes, Parthiv said up changes. Yes, farewell. He bade farewell. To his. Very good. Clap for Parthiv. Sit down. So how it will be? He bade farewell. Yes, to his great leaders. Yes, he bade his great leaders farewell. Okay. He bade to my will be omitted then. Manisha said, oh, I have hurt my thumb badly. I have hurt my thumb badly. She exclaimed with sorrow that it was an awful tragedy. Yes, now yes. 1 minute. Where is Hari Om sitting? Hari Om? Yes, Hari Om, give the answer. Manisha said, I have hurt my thumb. It is thumb. I have hurt my thumb badly. Priyansh, silence. Priyansh, you are understanding? Okay. Manisha, 1 minute. See, I have hurt my thumb badly. Which kind of expression it is? Pain or sorrow. Explain with pain or sorrow that. Very good. That she had hurt her thumb badly. Okay, that Jagjot you got? आ सकता है. Both can be. Next, the captain said, "Oh no, the ship is lost in the ship is lost in the ship is lost in the ocean." Now how it will be changed? The captain said, explain with sorrow also, that the ship was lost in the ocean. Very good. That the ship was lost in the ocean. Next, the detective said, now see this. He said, the detective said, the murderer has lost. 1 minute, 1 minute. Priyansh, you can tell the answer. The detective said, the murderer has escaped. Exclaimed with regret. The murderer, not angry he is. He is feeling sorry that he had escaped. Had regret. The detective exclaimed with regret that the murderer had escaped. With regret that the murderer had escaped. It's with regret. Naina said, alas, Mehar yes, now change. Naina said, alas, Mehar lost her grandfather. Very good. That Mehar had lost her grandfather. That Mehar had lost her grandfather. what a lovely necklace. Priyansh, pay attention. Nobody will speak. Let me ask that boy, your name, beta? Parth, chalo, tell me. She said, what a lovely necklace. Next boy, Akshar. That it was a lovely necklace. She exclaimed with what? That it was a lovely necklace. Saksham, no. So these all exclamatory sentences you have to do in your fair notebooks. Okay. Now pay attention towards me. Eighth class, write down on the next page. Priyansh, pay attention. On the next page, write down second question for report writing. Okay? Write a magazine report for blood donation camp or write down for inter-school poster making competition and at the top write down the heading magazine reports. At the top write down heading magazine reports. Now for that, नहीं no नहीं लिखना नहीं this I no you won't write down. I'm just telling you for your reference. Okay. Now how you will start? What it is inter-school competition in SSCPS. You will write down heading in this manner. It is inter-school poster making competition in SSDPS. Okay, right? By suppose Kritika 8B. That's it. That's it. Okay? Huh? Yes, class. Only staff correspondent and name. Class की उसमें mention कर दो. Class. And then rest of the format is same. Okay? Class. But this is the difference. This is the only difference. You will write down here name and place. Okay, now how first paragraph. Pay attention how Kritika, pay attention. Saksham, how first paragraph you will write down for this report. An inter-school poster making competition was organized by Swami Sandas Public School to celebrate World Environment Day and to sensitize the children or to aware the children about the importance of environment.